Good morning, Amazon Nation. My name is Ray. How are you doing? Great. Today I'm going to show you the process of finding profitable products for your Amazon FBA store. We'll be doing product research that can be privately labeled. Before we proceed, we need to set criteria for the product research. Like, single item product, no variations or bundles, keyword search volume minimum of 2,000. Price is $25 and up, sales are 300 units minimum, revenue is $7,000, and reviews are less than 500. None patent or trademark, no hazmat or gated category. Can be advertised in PPC, not breakable, and not electronic. With market trends, weight must be less than 3 pounds, with room for improvements, and profit margin should be 30% and up. We're going to use some notable Amazon Chrome extensions, like Helium 10, Amazon DS Quick View, AMZ Suggestion Expander, and Amalyze. So, we will be searching for products manually. We can search on Alibaba, retail stores like Etsy, Banggood, Walmart, and other online stores. You will also find product ideas on Pinterest. When you found product ideas, it is time to search for them on Amazon.com. You can verify the product's weight, price, reviews, and all the criteria we already set before we start looking for a product. Now, we will see if the product we choose is profitable or not by using the Amazon Seller's Central Profitability Calculator. We will input the item price, $34.77, shipment cost. To get the shipment cost, just multiply the weight by 2. That's $5.60. The average inventory unit is 1. To get the product cost, we will look for the top 3 suppliers in Alibaba and get the average price from the 3 suppliers. The product cost is $3.11, and we get a 36.5% net margin with a $12.69 net profit. Let's get the ASIN of the top 1 product into the list and input it into the Helium Cerebro tool. Here, we can extract the keywords with high search volume and use it in your product listing, ads, or PPC. After downloading your X-ray data, it's time to transpose your CSV data into the spreadsheet for later use. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching.